In this video, we listed the 5 best camping stoves that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Coleman Gas Camping Stove. The Coleman propane stove is a versatile outdoor cooking solution designed for various settings including camping, beach cookouts, backyard BBQs, and tailgate parties. Featuring 2 adjustable burners with a maximum output of 20,000 total BTUs, it allows precise temperature control for cooking flexibility. Wind-blocking panels enhance performance by shielding burners from wind, while a pressure regulator ensures consistent operation even in extreme conditions. The stove runs for up to 1 hour on high with a 16.4 ounces propane cylinder, sold separately. Compact and portable at 11.7 pounds, its dimensions are 13.7 inch LX 4.1 WX 21.9 H, making it easy to pack and transport. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty, Coleman continues to innovate outdoor products that enhance camping experiences, building on a legacy of over a century of reliable and durable outdoor gear. Number 2. GSI Outdoors Selkirk 540+. The GSI Outdoors stove is a robust outdoor cooking solution fueled by liquefied petroleum gas, featuring twin 14,000 BTU burners that efficiently heat large pots and pans. It incorporates a Pietro ignition for easy startup without the risk of burns, and microcontrol valves for precise heat adjustment from simmering to rapid boiling. Built with sturdy steel and a powder-coated exterior, it ensures durability in outdoor conditions, complemented by removable pot supports and stainless steel burners for easy cleaning. The stove also includes wraparound windscreens for cooking in windy conditions, with foldable screens for fair weather or larger pots. Its welded steel supports provide a stable platform for 8 to 10-inch pots, and a built-in handle facilitates convenient portability. Number 3. GasOne GS 1007 Gas Stove. The GasOne portable stove is designed for efficient outdoor cooking, fueled by 8-ounce butane canisters. It boasts a maximum energy output of 7,650 BTU, ensuring quick boiling and even heating. Safety is a priority with CSA approval and features like a fuel cartridge ejection system upon excess force. The stove includes a Pietro-type electric starter and a safety shut-off system, eliminating the need for matches or lighters. Compact and lightweight at 2 pounds, it comes with a carrying case for easy portability and is ideal for camping, outdoor cooking, and emergency kits. Its quiet operation and high fuel efficiency make it a reliable choice for various outdoor activities. Number 4. Eureka Ignite Camping Stove. The Eureka Ignite Plus 2-burner camping stove is a versatile cooking companion designed for outdoor use. Powered by liquefied petroleum gas, it features 2 10,000 BTU burners with precise simmer control, catering to large groups with its ability to handle 2 12-inch pans simultaneously. The stove, made from aluminum with a stainless steel drip tray, ensures durability and easy cleaning. It includes adjustable, non-slip rubber feet for stability on uneven surfaces and a push-button igniter for quick starts. Compatible with JetLink, it allows connection to other Eureka stoves for expanded cooking options. Ideal for camping and emergency preparedness, it offers reliable performance in diverse outdoor conditions. Number 5. Jetboil Genesis Camping Stove. The Jetboil Genesis Base Camp Portable Propane Stove is a versatile outdoor cooking solution designed for various camping scenarios. Featuring a dual-burner design, it can function independently or connect with other JetLink-compatible stoves or a lunar satellite burner to create a larger cooking system. The stove includes a 5-liter Jetboil flux ring camping pot with a strainer lid and a 10-inch ceramic-coated non-stick fry pan, all neatly stored in a travel bag for convenience. Boasting a robust 10,000 BTU heating system, it rapidly boils water in just over 3 minutes, making it suitable for melting snow or brewing coffee. An attachable windscreen enhances performance in diverse weather conditions, and the stove is regulated for consistent operation down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit (-6 degrees Celsius). Compact and portable, it measures 10.3 inch L x 10.3, W x 7.2, H when packed and weighs 9.1 pounds, compatible with standard 16.4 ounce propane bottles, sold separately. Ideal for activities ranging from backpacking to emergency preparedness, it comes with a 1-year limited warranty, offering reliability and efficiency for outdoor cooking adventures.